what I'm doing here is these are weld draglites. We've machined the lip off them. I'm just going through and cleaning up all the rubber, which is basically sort of bonded itself. So what I'll do is use the wire wheel and then give it a good clean up with GP thinners on a rag. I'm outside here because it's gorgeous outside today. It's like a refrigerator in that workshop, and that ain't fun. So here we go. I'm just using the wire wheel to get rid of the bulk. So, like so. Now I just get a rag with some GP thinners. So, wait 1 second. So the reason for this is because when you're welding aluminium, cleanliness is close to godliness. It needs to be really, really clean. Otherwise you'll get a contaminated weld, and aluminium is a bitch to weld at the best of times. So what we'll also do is stick these on our hooded barbecue and get this nice and warm. We'll get our ring warm. This section here, and then we'll do a nice little fillet weld in there, and we're set. Oh, my finger got caught now. So I will use 2 rags. I'll clean all this crap up, and I'll use another rag around here to finalise it. And you can see these are used, these are second hand. I think I picked them up with slicks for about $1,000, something like that. $800, it wasn't much. I don't like to spend too much money on cars. Not. Alright, my rag's just about dried out now. You can see how much that's coming up cleaner. And yes, in the background is a truck we're working on. It is a 48 International KB series truck. So there'll be plenty of footage of that. You jump on our page, our YouTube page there, and have a look-see. I'm trying to rub this down plus talk to you guys. So with that car, we've actually got an interview with the owner of the vehicle. It's we're doing a motor conversion, transmission conversion, paint. We're going from roller cam EFI to carburetted. We'll stick with the roller cam because it's so much more efficient. Yeah, so that's pretty good there. Next stage is to give this thing a barbecue, give it a heat up, and do some big welds. Okay, we've set up the TIG aluminium. The wheel is about 100 to 120 degrees in temperature, which will help the flow. So here we go, aluminium welding, bead locking. Just getting myself set up. So the tungsten. Punch this a little bit too close. That's good. Here we go. Get your helmet down. Okay, that's better. So there's our finished product. This is radial setup. As you can see, it's got the Hero radials on, 275s. Conversion is done. Because when you're welding aluminium, cleanliness is close to godliness. It needs to be